IBM, Pete. IBM shares, they came out with numbers and reduced enterprise spending on non-gen AI projects. What does that mean? That means they're doing well on the AI projects, but if it's not artificial intelligence, they're not doing so well. And in fact, the cloud software side, which used to be a pretty significant driver, might be softening up a little, Pete.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, it's interesting when you look at this IBM thing, John. They missed on the revenue, as mentioned. They beat on the earnings. That's great. But they actually numbers, I thought, that were pretty decent. You know, yes, the AI side of it maybe is a little bit different, but the software was up 9.5%. The Red Hat part of the business up about 14%. There's progress going on with AI. I look at this company and the fact that they're selling it off. This might be one to really keep a very close eye on for a turn. I look at them and I think to myself, they're down 6 or 7%. Okay, I get it. They just came off 52-week highs. So they're pulling back, and I think this is just a potential correction where now, at some point in the very near future, if we see some unusual, I'm really excited about this one, John, to look for a big move to the upside. I'm not going to go until I see that, but I'll tell you what, this is a stock that I think that they're moving really, really well. And I know that they've stumbled a little bit here and the revenue is sort of the disappointment. I think this thing, when it trades at EE where it is, this has plenty of room still to the upside as well.
Well, I happen to like it. So Pete and I are both thinking that IBM on weakness, which we're seeing, could be a pretty interesting play for those of you who actually trade options. Instead of just saying, well, I'd like to buy it if it were $8 lower. Well, you could sell a put that's $5 out of the money and perhaps collect $3 for that put. What would that mean? That means if it drops $5, you're owning it $8 lower than where it was at the moment you made that call. So interesting ways to trade if indeed you have a commitment to that stock.